Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Escape battery. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Safety is paramount, so please wear protective gloves and eye protection. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your Ford Escape's battery, which is usually situated under the hood on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery. You can then carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the new battery terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery securely into the clean tray. Reattach any hold-down clamps or straps to keep it firmly in place. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This specific order helps prevent electrical shorts and ensures a safe connection. You're almost done. For the final steps, double-check that all connections are tight and secure and that the battery is stable in its tray. Once everything is secure, start your Ford Escape's engine to confirm proper power supply and operation. Pay attention to your dashboard for any warning lights or unusual electrical behavior. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your battery. Remember to properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.